Sunday. I hope you're doing really well. What Sunday will this be uploaded? Like a week before Christmas. How exciting. I am going to film today a meal prep. Sorry, I still have like the remains of a chest infection, so my voice sounds really weird, but Sunday is like my meal prep day. It's where I get everything ready for the week. I actually normally don't prep more than 2 or 3 days because I don't really want to eat old food. It's not great for your body. It doesn't taste the best, and it doesn't keep as well, does it? So I think I'm going to prep for 2 or 3 days today. I'm probably just going to do breakfast and lunch, and they're all going to be high protein, gluten-free meals, apart from the ones that I make for Sam because he's not gluten-free, but you could make them gluten-free if you wanted to. So that's how this Sunday is going to go down. I normally do this every Sunday, and then I do another mini prep on a Wednesday. It's just so much easier. You can just go to the fridge and everything's already ready. But it's about 8:30. I'm actually going to try out my new French press because I really want an iced coffee. So I bought some decaf, some nice coffee actually. Taste the difference, decaf from Sainsbury's, and I've just bought a French press. So I think I'm gonna have an iced coffee, but I'm gonna add some protein in. I just bought this new protein powder from Garden of Life. The reason I have opted for this one is because the ingredients are amazing. Obviously anything that's been manufactured isn't going to be insane, but I know every single ingredient on this protein powder, which I think is really important, especially if you have food sensitivities. I think you've got to be really careful with things like that. So I'm going to make a protein coffee, so I'm not just fueling myself off pure coffee this morning. I'm going to do a little arm workout because I'm feeling pretty good, and then we'll get cracking with some food prep. Bit of core work because I'm going to give birth in 4 months, and a little upper body session, and it was really good. I also signed up to my pre and postnatal level 3 PT training because I am also a qualified personal trainer, and I want to know how to help myself and also my friends when they give birth. So signed up to that this morning. Gonna get studying. Yes, we're gonna get prepping. Cannot wait. We're going to prep breakfast for Monday, Tuesday. Today I'm probably just going to have a smoothie or something. And then lunch and little fridge snacks. Mostly fridge snacks for Sam because at the moment I can't digest a lot. So all the raw veggies and things, Sam normally has the snacks in the fridge. So we're going to do that as well. I'm going to pop my headphones on because it's 9:10. I don't know what time Sam got in, but I found him asleep. Literally like off this sofa, like his legs were here. He was asleep like this morning at 7 AM. So I'm gonna pop headphones on so I don't wake him up, so he can get a full night's rest and recover from whatever antics he got up to last night. And yeah, I'm gonna get food prepping. bye.